Okay, hi Troy.
How y'all doing?
Good, thanks. Good job. Yeah, they're gonna do here ceramic work. Hey, my name is Mekonnen, and your name?
Drew.
Drew, how long you been working?
About 10 years or so.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
How you select the material you put in the bottle of the
How much?
Awesome. That's the way they do it. Good job, good job, good job. Get Gema's car out. I'm just kidding. Good thing is it's ready. Awesome. I'm gonna ask him to leave that truck for me, forklift. Yeah. Wow, that's a monster forklift. Cool. Project. I like your toy. Yeah, good job. How long you been driving this? How long? How many years?
I only been low for 8 months.
Wow.
More experience.
Oh, 3 more years experience. Okay. That's
The higher you can train, you go.
okay. That's a nice toy you have.
Yeah.
I'm gonna meet him later on. You know, it's just wow. Okay, that means stop. Did you see Troy's hand? Nashan na pala. Wow. All right. This is amazing. This is all with testimony. What you're doing is because that's what, if they don't see here, they don't believe.
That's right.
Yeah. I'm here with Troy. Who's good looking? I know. My brother from another mother. Praise the Lord. Well, that's why my wife, she wants a ceramic, and the Lord will provide.
Happy day.
Hey, you living? Hey, my name is Mekonnen.
My name's Sean.
Sean?
Yes,
okay, good to meet you. We moved in June.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just what? June 1st?
Yeah.
Yeah, the first time, and I'm so happy to meet everybody here.
Oh, okay.
And that's why, let me see. Sean, you said? You said Sean?
Yes, my name's Sean.
Sean Mekonnen. Originally, I'm from Ethiopia. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sean. And you were born here in
No, I was born in Vietnam.
Vietnam? Wow,
Yeah,
wow.
I came here in 1993.
Oh, I just, the first time when I came to United States,
Yeah.
I'm
I'm about like 8 years old.
8-year-old when you came here?
My mom, she quarter white.
Okay.
Me.
Okay.
So she married my daddy. You know me, Cambodian. So
Okay. And I met,
mixed. So.
yeah, that's good. That's the same my daughters, you know. I'm from Ethiopia, my wife from Mexico.
Oh, okay.
We've been married 28 years.
Oh, that's good.
I cannot do anything without the Lord. It's the Lord, Jesus. I surrender to Him, and
Yes, sir.
and He bring today. There's no divine appointment. God, He just brought you here, you know, for the reason. And because I just love talking to you, and it's I would love to, you know, if you send me, I don't know, I'll try to send you my link if you have a business card. And I met the Vietnamese guy the first time 30 years ago.
Wow.
And I said, can you teach me Vietnamese? The first word he told me, yes. He said, say umatao. I didn't know that was bad word.
Oh.
And when I shake the hand, I say umatao. I was telling them F word, everybody.
Yeah.
And the Vietnamese, they're laughing at me. You have a bad friend.
Really?
So we all bad. We're all sinner. I'm a sinner. I born at the sin. My background is sin, and I was a lost
How long you
person.
been living in America?
America? That's a very good question. 30 years,
Oh,
probably.
okay.
25. But, you know, my English is broken.
Yes, sir.
That's okay. But for heartbroken people, yes. It's just powerful. I was using the wrong tools. Now I'm learning something. Wow. We cut with this. There's our water here. And look at that. Look at that. The Troy Construction Home Improvement business. Oh, here is the Chief Assistant Manager. You didn't tell me your name.
Greg.
Craig?
Greg.
Greg. Okay. See, Greg, he knows this about the tiles. Wow. Amazing. 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 It's great to start. Right? I love it. I like it. The way they start. See? Huh. Okay. Oh, okay.